Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie and today I will show you guys how to make a cake in a jar. So before I get started with the video, I just wanted to explain what's going to go on. Beforehand, you want to bake some cupcakes. You're going to need about 1 cupcake per jar. So however many jars you're going to be making, make that many cupcakes or extras, you know. And then I'm going to show you guys how to make my classic buttercream. And then I will show you guys how to dye it as well. But after I show you how to make the buttercream, I'm just going to help you assemble it. It's all up to you, really. I'm just going to show you how to make it, and you make it your own.
Okay, so let's start making that buttercream icing. So it's really up to you to make any icing that you want, but I really love to make buttercream icing. So what you saw me do was grate the butter, and then that's how you make softened butter if you don't have it like already ready. And then you're going to add in the powdered sugar gradually. And you're basically just going to keep on adding it in little portions until you have mixed in all of the powdered sugar. And that should look like that by the end. So then you're going to add in your vanilla. And then you're going to add in your milk. And once you add in your milk, you're going to beat the buttercream icing for 2 to 4 minutes. Until it looks all nice and fluffy like that. So since I am doing the red, white, and blue colors of the flag, I decided to dye my icing blue because it is the blue layer of the cake in a jar. And I basically kept putting in more food coloring until I got my desired color of blue. And it looked like that by the end. So since we are doing the United States flag, I decided to use the star tip. And this is what we're aiming the cake in a jar to look like. And the top. And you're going to need the cupcakes that you made, and a glass mason jar, or really any type of jar, and your icing. And I used the cookies and cream Hershey drops for the white layer, and some melted M&Ms from July 4th. And then you're going to get your cupcake and a knife, and you're going to carefully unwrap your cupcake, and you're going to cut it in half. So then you're going to grab your jar and the bottom half of your cupcake, and you're just going to put it down at the bottom of the jar. Then you're going to grab whatever candy or anything that you're going to use for the white layer, and just layer it as the second layer. So then I'm gonna add in the blue icing. I decided to use my like icing helper for this, so that it was just gonna be easier to use for this little jar. And then you're going to get the top of your cupcake, and my jar was a little too small for like the top half of the cupcake, so I had to like squeeze it in there very carefully. And then for my next layer, I put in the 4th of July mini M&Ms, and then I added the last layer of blue icing. And I decided to add, more M&Ms for the topping. And there you go, that's the top, and that's the side. So then you just repeat. And there you go, those are your cake in a jar. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Saturday.